Hello, everybody. This is JP, and we are going to learn something interesting today. So let's start with that. So in here, welcome to our fantastic class for sure. Okay, as I said, well, here is just a little bit about countries and flags and beautiful colors, of course. Okay, maybe you cannot see it quite clear right there, but we're gonna see it. We're gonna see it through the video that we have pretty interesting countries today. Okay, as I said, well, my name is Jean Pierre, but just call me JP. Okay, those are my initial letters, so you can call me JP. That's just fine. So here we can see a map. Yes, of course, that's a map. But what else can we see? Some countries are highlighted, right? Yes. What color? Yellow? No, that's not the color. Yes, red, of course. And why do you guys think this is red? Some answers, no answers, maybe answers. Well, as you can see, yeah, probably you can recognize some countries, right? The US, Canada, maybe Australia, but there are some other countries too. Okay, well, we have in Africa, we have South Africa, we have some other countries right there, India for sure, and it doesn't seem too big, but well, some countries in Europe. Okay, right there. And of course, in South America as well, there are some other countries, little, but you can see it for sure. Yes, we're going to talk about some countries today, okay, and some uh, personal information as well. Let's see. So right here, yes, as I said, like personal information. But the first idea when you start meeting people, you start saying something, right? Like for example, we have in our first small talk, small conversation, hello, and the other person would say, hi, I'm Juan. What's your name? My name is Michelle. And well, that's that's how it goes. Then you can also go with a little bit different, right? For example, good morning. How are you? Good morning. Fine, thank you. How old are you? I'm 12, right? I'm 12 years old. Yeah, sure. You can start a conversation that. I mean, because not in all cases you're gonna start by asking the other person's age, but yeah, sure, you can do it. Why not? Then later in conversation number three, we're gonna have where are you from? Yes, I'm from Argentina. Yeah, because of the T-shirt. What is your phone number? It is 368 9859 54. So yeah, you got that right. And no worries. I mean, you don't always ask for telephone numbers, but yes, you can do it. And our last and fourth conversation, it's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Well, this is actually at the end of the conversation, right? You can say, hey, nice meeting you. Hi, glad meeting you. Right? It's a pleasure to meet you. There are many other ways you can also say that. Well, making some questions. Let's see how much you guys remember that. Let's see. What's your name? How old are you? What's your phone number? How old are you? Where are you from? For example, right there, the first one, yes, of course. What's your name? My name is Catherine, and that's it. Next one, how old are you? Volunteers, of course, you got the answer too. So, I mean, how are you? Fine, thank you. Sure. What's your phone number? That's easy peasy. Of course, it is. And then the numbers. How old are you? I'm 12 or I'm 12 years old, right? That's the answer. Where are you from? I'm from Argentina. That's good, huh? And then we come, hello, I'm Jefferson. Well, this is just fictitious, right? Like me, hi, hello, I'm Jefferson. I'm 12 years old. I'm from England, which is not true. But yes, I'm presenting myself. And then now it's your turn, okay? You can pause the video and you can also present yourself. We're going to continue. I hope you guys have presented yourself. Please do it. Some nationalities, as I told you. Where are you from? Yes, we're gonna ask this question whenever we are asking for nationalities. We want to know about your country. I'm from Argentina. Sure. I'm from Peru, of course, right? I'm from the U.S. I'm from France. I'm from Canada. I'm from Australia. I'm from China and many other countries, right? Well, you can also say I am Peruvian, right? I mean, that's the nationality part, of course. Right? I am Argentinian. I am American. I am Mexican, and so on, right? There are many other people that are from different countries. For example, that country, right? We have different flags. That country, do you know that one? Uh, think about it if you don't. And last one, yes, the first one, yes, it's not Texas. It looks like it, but it's Chile. This is Japan. Next one, Greece. Yes, I like these colors. And France, of course, France. Just curious opinion about France. Well, it's actually an information. Oh, hold on, hold on. So next year, in 2024, it's going to be the Olympic and Paralympic Games. So wow, I'm excited about it because well, France is such a centric place in Europe. So I believe it's going to be super super amazing. Well, you can go online and you can research more about the Olympic and Paralympic Games. So continuing to this country and nationality, I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see it right there, but if not, I'm going to read it. Okay, we have the United States as a country, nationality, America, for sure. Chile, Chilean, good. Right, Canada, Canadian. Peru, we got it right there, Peruvian, huh? England, English. What? Yeah, English. Spain, Spanish. China, Chinese. Next, yes. Japan, Japanese. Greece, Greek. France, French. Be careful because some people, and I've heard that say France, France. They're like, no way. Right now it's France and French. They're French. And they speak French, by the way. The language they speak is also French. So be careful, please. We're going to continue now, reflect on grammar, right? I mean, we have this is something super simple. Yeah, that's me in the picture. Subject or pronoun, right? The verb to be in complement, that's easy. I am Chilean, I am Peruvian, I am Argentinian, and so on. She is Canadian, yeah, for sure, right? She is now. We're changing subjects. He is from France. It's also possible to say from and then the country, right? From France, from Japan, from India, from Lebanon, and many other countries, right? You are Greek. Be careful. You are Greece. You are Greek. You are from Greece. Aha. Do you have any questions? Or no questions? Well, if there are no, well, you can leave your questions down below. That's okay. Okay. I'm gonna read it as soon as possible, and I'm gonna answer them for sure. Okay. So this is it. This is all. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye, and enjoy your day. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, classmates, and people that are right now interested in learning nationalities and person themselves, right? Personal information. Bye bye, guys. See ya. Take care. Bye.